Hello, my name is Gugwa Josephat, commonly known as Daktari Gugwa. At this particular junction hour, I wish actually to bring a very sensitive topic on board, and the topic is about cigarettes that actually come from tobacco. The question we are yet to unfold is that do we really have health effects as a result of smoking cigarettes? The answer is yes. Studies have been done worldwide. A good example is from Nakada study research, World Health Organization, and so many others, including CDC, which is a Center for Disease Control. Now, basically and logically speaking, cigarette smoking affects two people. It affects the person who is smoking directly, and it affects the person who is smoking passively. That means that anybody who is within, because remember, it is smoke. Now, what are some of these health effects that we get from cigarette? May it be known to us that cigarette has numerous chemical substances which are very detrimental to our own health. There are more than 70 carcinogenic substances which really affect our own health. When we talk of tobacco, or they're from the garden, people who are handling it, they are exposed, and as a result, it is a precursor, predisposing factor to getting cancer. Now, when we talk of cancer as a result of tobacco, what do we mean? There are a variety of cancer associated with tobacco. I shall mention to us just but a few. Right from the head, we have head and neck cancer. We have lung cancer, which is common. We have leukemia, that is actually affecting the blood. We have stomach, we have intestine, we have kidney, pancreas, colon, bladder, cervix, to mention but a few. This very cigarette smoking as well, it brings so many other complications. We have blindness for the inborn babies, miscarriage among the expectant and pregnant mothers. We have cardiovascular diseases. We have stroke. Stroke, actually, this is when we have oxygen deterred from reaching the brain. So you get a paralysis of that side that is known as stroke. We have atherosclerosis because of the deposition of the so many chemical substances that are found within the cigarette smoking. We have pneumonia, which is a disease of the lungs probably. We have hardening of arteries. We have reduced fertility among the ladies, and we have impotence among the males. You can't believe what studies show. Studies really indicate that every cigar you take, it deprives and takes away your 11 minutes. So I am trying to imagine if we can do some calculations here. That means that every one cigar takes away 11 minutes. Let me assume you take 24 in a day. 24 in a day, that is going to be 264 minutes that you've stolen from. So 264, that is actually how many hours? Because 120, we get 2 hours. Another 120, we get 2 hours. This is just about 240. So basically you've taken away almost 4 hours if you smoke 24 cigar, those sticks per day. Basically speaking, people are dying. Both those who are smoking and those who are not smoking. Studies according to the World Health Organization indicate that almost 11% of people who smoke, they don't get to 85 years old, so they die. Another detrimental effect of smoke is cancer. Name them all, from oral, mouth cancer, lip cancer, tongue cancer, larynx cancer, pharynx cancer, alveolar cancer, pancreas cancer, kidney cancer. Oh my goodness, you can't believe. We have pulmonary issues. This is where we have carbon monoxide, because remember, as you are taking, this is in complete combustion of oxygen. That means that you're going to get carbon monoxide. Now, what are the health effects of carbon monoxide? You can't believe this. Carbon monoxide gets to mix with hemoglobin, therefore they make it difficult for oxygen to be transmitted and transported to every other part of the body. That is why smoking cigarette affects every part of the body, including the skin. You age so fast. Why? Because the moisture content of the skin is used up as a result of cigarette smoking. We have cardiovascular issues. We have impotence among the men. We have the miscarriage among the expectant mothers. And honestly speaking, cigarette smoking is harmful to our health. If we have been smoking, let us try to quit. There's nicotine part which affects the brain. It interferes with cognitive, reasoning capacity, and so on and so forth. But there is hope. As I can see, time is not on my side. But I shall ensure that I bring on board a discussion of each and every health hazard and health effect that is brought by cigarette smoking, all the way from the garden by the farmers to the final consumer, and even those who smoke passively, who are the majority. As we speak today, everybody is a smoker, whether you smoked it or not. That smoke stays in the environment as long as possible. That is how we get it. Be safe. Let us try to take care of our health, for health is wealth. I shall expand more because time is gone, but remember to subscribe. In case you have any questions so far, you may reach me to 07 868 33864. Or as well, you could reach me through my YouTube channel known as Dr. Gugwa. Until next time, bye for now.